Today is Tuesday. Here in Dallas, we like to call it T-Bar Tuesday, which is the night that we have our bike night every Tuesday of every week. We're gonna go to the shop, we're gonna paint a helmet, we're gonna put this exhaust on the lowrider ST, we're gonna get cleaned up, ready for bike night, go down to Dallas and have a good time. So let's get this day started now. Just got into the shop, gonna start working on some helmets. I got one that I need to sand down, do a little bit more touch-ups before we final clear it tonight. So I'm gonna try to show you guys all that. Had a bit of a issue right here. Boop. So yeah, we gotta get it sanded down, go from there. Well, I got some color sprayed on the helmet. I'm already running out of time. It's already like 1:30. I need to get the lowrider ST up here probably about 4 at the latest. Get the exhaust off, get the new one put on. So yeah, I don't know. We'll see how much I can get done today, but it's not looking good so far. So this is actually the color scheme I'm gonna be doing my lowrider ST. I haven't really told anybody, so sneak peek, here you go. Basically what's left here is I gotta cover this gray and all this is going black. So I'm gonna tape this up real quick and then get in there and shoot the last color on this helmet. Where we're at right now on this helmet is with this being raw carbon. I got the colors based in and you can see this little black line. That is where my leaf is going to go. So what I'll do is clear coat this and lock all this stuff down, level it out. It makes it a little bit harder later on if you don't get these edges all smoothed out. Like I said, this is phase 1 of this helmet where everything's kind of blocked in. There's no details yet. It's just colors and everything laid out where it's gonna go. Clear coat it, sand it back down and come back and start adding all the details, the leafing, clear coat it again, sand it back down, do the final pinstripes, and it'll be done. And like I said earlier, this is actually the color scheme I'm gonna be doing on my lowrider ST. This has actually been some great practice for me to be able to, see how it's gonna look and find out what's the best little combinations with other colors and stuff. So pretty stoked. All right, clear coating's done. I'm gonna give that about 5 minutes and let that sit in my little bake area, and then I'm gonna run to the house and get the lowrider ST, bring it up here, let it cool off, start this whole process of putting the exhaust on. So got the bike in here now. Gonna go ahead and try and let this thing cool off a little bit before we pull the exhaust off. Try to get this new bad boy put on and then head to bike night. All right guys, the bike is dialed. I'm gonna run to the house real quick and you know, get all my stuff ready and go see how this exhaust feels tonight. Pretty excited. Gotta have the cameraman. Y'all gotta be on my YouTube shit now.
Oh shit. What's up, bud?
So everybody act happier than they are.
Yeah.
What up, Jace?
What up?
Jace, you want a little J-Mo soda action? Yeah, sure.
There you go. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Yeah, of course, man.
Hey, you can't park there. He can't park there.
Can't park there.
We're gonna be wishing we had nights like this here in like 2 months from now.
Yes, I know. Are you trying to get canceled tonight, Jaden, or what?
Can't cancel me if I don't care, baby boy.
What's up?
How good does it look, Trey?
Looks pretty goddamn good. I like it.
Hey, how the brakes work? The brakes work good?
Brakes do not work, actually. All right, what you got, Jaden?
All right, we got Blake, the White Hate from Oklahoma City.
Straight to fucking Nazi shit. Come on, man.
It sounded good, man. Come on, come on. We're going with it. White Hate.
You are
We're in.
white.
We got Jose. Don't mess with my man. Jose from Dallas. That's still being worked on. We're still whiteboarding that.
We got Oklahoma City Club Style. We got T-Bar Tuesday, my man right here.
We got 10,000 pounds of fertilizer right here. We got a federal building right here. Straight up. We're gonna see if we can undo history. We're gonna see if we can make this right this time.
We hate each other.
But act like you hate each other. Come on. Okay. Woo! Shit's tight. Shit's wild. Shit's wild. See you at the camp out.
You rode all the way down here from Oklahoma City or Elgin?
Lawton. Yeah.
Lawton. Welcome to Dallas. You've been here before, right?
Yeah, for sure.
Hell yeah.
T-Bar Tuesday. It's I don't know. It started out as just a same style of bike. Oh, you got a Dyna too? No, seriously, this is the kind of shit that sparks trips that last forever. I'm convinced that those kind of things start at something like this, where first you're busting balls, you're talking whatever the fuck, and it ends up going to, let's do something more. Let's go to a camp out. The worst part is, I'm going to leave it.
Are you throwing up?
I almost just threw up.
T-Bar Tuesdays, every Tuesday. We've been doing this for going on 5 years now. Glad to be able to bring it onto a YouTube. And I got my man Jaden right here. He helps us put this on, and a torqued up tray behind me. If you're thinking about doing a bike night in your town,
That's all it takes.
all you
It's
need.
three
That's all
people.
you need is
And
three
honestly,
people.
that's all it takes.
Man, just come out, have a good time. We're here every Tuesday, no matter what, rain or shine. 7 p.m. at the Cold Beer Company in Dallas, Texas.
yeah.
Come out. Doesn't matter what you drive, what you ride.
You got an Uber. I've done it before. I've Ubered here plenty of times in my life.
Some of us have scootered to different parts of the city for bike night. Come on out. We'd love to have you.
Help me out. A
Pivotal
spot in your community where you can create a lot of other things that happen later on, like your rides on the weekend, your big rides across country. Those conversations can take place over a beer or two right over there.
You never know who you're going to meet. You never know what it's going to turn into, the friendships that you're going to meet, but it all starts at a goofy bike night.
Well, let's go have some more beer. I'm tired of videoing right now.